Good afternoon. I had a question in regards to salary-based budget, and since most of you had not turned this in yet, I thought I would just quickly go over how this activity is set up. So kind of all of your instructions are in this Google Slides. I would encourage you to open this up in a separate window. And then if you are on slide 2, you need to click on this Open the Salary-Based Budgeting Worksheet. And when you do that, it's going to force you to do File and make a copy of your own. And then, like I said, as you go through the Google Slides here, each slide kind of steps you through what you need to do. So to even select your career, you're going to have to come here. It's going to tell you how to calculate your wage. Here's more on calculating that wage, and they're telling you where to record it on your spreadsheet. And so that kind of just guides you through each piece of this. So when I'm checking for answers, I'm looking for things that you have completed in the yellow, not only for amounts but choices, so I know kind of what should have been calculated. And otherwise, the spreadsheet will do all of the math for you. And then what you are turning into me is simply the link. So if I come to share, and I would copy the link, and you need to make sure that it says anyone with the link is the viewer, so I'm able to view that. And then you would come back into Schoology, do your little submit here, and under the create, you can just post that there. So hopefully that helps explain this lesson. As a reminder, all of the budgeting lessons are due by this Friday.